Hello friend, how are you? Hope you are well. Today I am talking about USA Auto Insurance. Auto cover is an award-winning service made for you. You might be surprised how much you could save. Why USA for car insurance? You know, US for our service and membership perks, but our car insurance may also cost less than you think. Members saves $725. A survey showed that our members saved an average of $725 per year when they switched to USA Auto Insurance. Car insurance discount. Another talking about car insurance discount. Auto insurance discount designed for those who serve. Start discount to save the most on your coverage. Our service is legendary, but it does not have to come with a big price tag. Our members saved an average of $725 on their annual premium when they switched to USA Auto Insurance. On top of that, there are many ways to lower your premium even more. Your student driver has good grades. You could get a break, got a clean driver record that could put money in your pocket. Getting your car on a military installation, there's a discount for that. Get this discount for being a good driver, maintain a good driving record for more than 5 years, and you could receive a safe driver discount. You could get a discount if you have completed an appropriate course of defensive driving or completed or base driver training course. If you live in a eligible state, you could also save up to 30% with our safe driving program, USA Safe Pilot. Get discount for insurance mode vehicles and building and bundling auto with home winners or renters. Got a new driver at home, extend your coverage to two or more vehicles, and you could be eligible for a multi-vehicles discount. You can also get up to 10% of your property insurance when you add auto. Get discount for newer vehicles and anti-theft driver device. We understand newer cars have improved safety feature. If your vehicle is not more than 3 years old, you might get a discount on your car insurance. If you have an anti-theft device installed in your car, there is a discount for that too. Get discount if you are storing your vehicles or do not drive much. If you are employed or storing your insured car for any other reason, you could get up to 60% off. If you are gearing your car on a military installation, you could save up to 50% on comprehensive coverage. You can also get a discount on your car insurance for driving less based on the number of miles per year. Get discount for being a loyal member. Continue the USA Auto Insurance tradition that your present started, and you could save up to 10% on your own policy with the family discount. Sit with us for your car insurance coverage, and you could save even more. How else I save money on car insurance? There are a few other way on your lawyer, your premium. In case you're deductible, the more you can pay out of pocket, the lower your premium. Drop collision on the comprehensive coverage. It could be worth it to drop the two if you are be paid off your car and its value is less than your premium and dedicated table. Select a different car. Consider a vehicle that won't to be costly to repair and run quite on the ones you are looking at. Okay. Number two, expansional service and claims were available 24/7 online for policy update and claims through usa.com and our mobile app. Hassle-free claim at your fingertips. Manage your claim faster on the app. File a claim in about 10 minutes. Upload photo of the damage, schedule repairing, view estimated and claim status 24/7. Claim FAQ. Will may auto policy rates increase? There are many answer. His answer. There are many factors that could affect your rate. On one reason that may be causing a premium increase is state-wide rate change, which are the result of general inflation in actual client experience. Despite the increase in your premium, we are confident you will find that USA is still a competitive provider for your financial needs. Number two, I'll be in an accident should I find in auto claim. Here is answer. You should always report a car accident to your insurance company to alert them about the accident. You can then choose whether to file a claim with your insurance company, the other driver's insurance company, or not at all. We recommend that you file a claim if someone got hurt as a result of an accident. You cause minimal damage to someone else because of third party property. In case serious damage to someone else to third property, in case damage to a municipality or property, such as guardian, telephone, poly, or state sing. You may not want to file a claim if you cause minimal damage to your own vehicles or property, and the damage is less than you dedicatable. You do not want to fix your vehicles and is not owned by any other party, less or financial company. How long will my auto claim takes? Here is the answer. Our goal is to pay and close claims as quickly as possible. Once will be determined what we own you based on your coverage. The time it takes to resolve a claim depended on the claim and the number of vehicles and injuries associated with the accident. The simplest claim may take an hours, while more complex claim may take weeks to help resolve your claim more quickly. File a claim online at usa.com or on the USA mobile app. Even if you do not have all the details, you can always add additional details later. Depending on your claim, you may be able to use the photo estimated tools and receive an estimated in as little as 4 hours. You have the right to use the shop of your choice to repair your vehicles. We are prohibited by law from requiring that repairs will be done at a specific shop. Your policy by cover the responsible cost of repairs no matter where you go. If you use a USA preferred shop for repairs, they are conventionally located, and USA will manage the repair and payment on your behalf. The quicker your repairs is scheduled and completed, the quicker the claim will pay out and close. Choose electronic fund transfer EFT as a method or payment and have any amount on to your directly deposit into your bank account. What is my auto policy deductible? You can, here is your answer. You can review your policy and deductible on your account summary page under my account on USA.com or the USA mobile app. The type of accident will determine how your coverage or deductible apply. Okay. Number three, competitive rates. US News and World Report named USA the cheapest car insurance company in the country the past 3 years running. How we calculate rates? Car insurance rate. How do we calculate auto insurance rate? What factor affect your auto premium? Several things affect how much you will pay for car insurance. Here are some of the factors we use to calculate auto rates. Your policy limited in general, the higher you set a coverage limited, the higher your premium will be. Just wait. Okay. Get the car insurance coverage you need. The right car insurance coverage called Save the Thousand after an accident. It helps cover damage to your vehicles, as well as damage and injuries you cause. If you hit someone. If you do not have enough car insurance, you call me on take look more for more than. You can afford take a look at the types of coverage we offer and get a quote for what you need. Comparisonship coverage help pay to repair to replace your vehicles if it's damaged from an accident like hitting an animal, fire or floating glass damage, hail. It's often required if you are leasing your financing your car. Example: a three branch for falls on your parked car on a coast. $300 in damage after you pay our $100 deductible. Your policy typical cover and remember $2,000. Collision coverage help pay for damage to your vehicles from an accident related to driving, such as a collision with a stationary object and collisions with other vehicles. It is often required if you are leasing or financial your car. Example, you hit a pole backing out of a tight space or in a parking garage. The damage to your car cost $1,000 to repair. After you pay your $500 deductible, your policy typically cover the remainder $100. Liability coverage helps protect your assist if you are found illegal responsible for the injury of death of another person resulting from a car accident. It also help pay to repair or repair that other person damaged property. Example, you hit an injury another driver, they have $20,000 in medical bills and $10,000 in damage to other car. Liability insurance does not have a deductible, but it does have limit. You are covered up to the limit of your policy. Okay. Unsure and understand the coverage may pay injury to your passengers if you are an accident caused by a driver who either does not have insurance or does not have enough coverage, depending on where you live. They may also help with repairing damage to your vehicles, even in a hit and run. Example, you were injured in an accident where the other drive is at fault, and they does not have insurance enough coverage. Insured coverage could help pay for medical expenses for you or your passenger if your vehicle is damaged in the accident and you do not have collisions coverage. Uninsured coverage might help pay for repair. What do people mean by full coverage for my car? You may be surprised that full coverage does not exist as an option when buying car insurance. Your bank or lender may say they require it. So they are usually referring to physical damage coverage, including collision and comprehensive, along with the minimum liability coverage amount that most states and some lenders require. The physical damage coverage can help pay for repair to your car or for covered losses like damage from hitting an object or flooding, and liability may help pay the medical expenses for someone you are responsible for injury. How much car insurance do we need? Record coverage: many states require driver to carry a minimum amount of liability coverage. Depending on your assist, you may want to explore additional coverage. If you are making payments on your car, your lender of leasing company may require you to keep collisions and comprehensive coverage on your policy. Optional coverage: roadside accident assistance, which can help if you are broke down and need a tow. Rental reimbursement, which helps pay for the rental car while your car is in the shop for repair after a covered loss. How do deductible work? A deductible is the amount you pay before your insurance policy. You will pay to repair or replace your vehicles. May auto insurance policies require a separate deductible for comprehensive and collision coverage. You may the deductible the applies to the type of claim you have. When you review your auto insurance coverage, you can choose to set your deductible lower and higher. If you set a lower deductible, you may pay a higher premium. You may qualify for a discount on your car insurance. There's more than one way to save money on your USA auto insurance. You can take advantage of member discount if you live on a military base or you have a new vehicles. We also offer discount or having multiple policies and anti-theft device, plus safe driving and other way to save. Okay. How you use your vehicles? If you use your vehicles for business, including ride share and deliveries, it could after your premium. Okay, I opened you second one. Okay. Commercial auto insurance get coverage for your business vehicles, have a felt vehicles or personal car you use for your business will be selected lending insurance companies to help meet your coverage needed. Speak with a USA insurance agency commercial specialist to learn more. Contact us, call 800-292-8135. Do you need commercial auto insurance? If you use your vehicles or for business, you may not be adequately protected a personal auto insurance policy. If you have large truck or flat vehicles, a commercial auto policy can help meet your coverage needed. Why is commercial auto insurance may help protect you? You use your vehicles, your business as a real estate agent. You often transport clients to showing. If you cause an accident on one of these trips, your personal auto policies may not cover resulting damage or insurance. Injuries. You have an ad for your business on your personal vehicles. Your vehicles is invalid in an accident, and the other drive see your company name on the site. If they show your business, commercial auto insurance could help pay for the legal cost. You have fleet vehicles or a trucking business. A vehicles in your flat is a serious accident whilst transporting product. Commercial coverage may help you cover and the cost of medical payment. A totaled truck and trailer, you lost cargo and more. You rent vehicles for your business. We decide to rent a truck to take equipment to a job site. On the way to the site, you accidentally side sweep another car. Your commercial coverage may help cover the cost. What is commercial auto coverage? A commercial auto policy included liability, physical damage protection for most vehicles that are used for business, including personal vehicles, trucks, trailers, buses, and limousines. Here are some common commercial coverage you may need it. Here, auto liability insurance for vehicles you lease here to rent your business use. Then often included or and commercial bans. Non-owned vehicles help protect you and your employee if they sometimes use their personal vehicles for your business. Any auto includes liability coverage for both the other non-owned vehicles, such as vehicles you rent the employee personal vehicles that are used for your business. It may also cover vehicles you purchase during your policy term. Motor truck cargo insurance on the freighting your head to transport. It cover cargo that are lost of damage by fire or collision. Trailer interchange change. Physical damage insurance for non-owned trailers included collisions, fire, theft, explosion, and vandalism. Okay. We deductible, if you set a lawyer deductible, you may pay higher premium. Here is your answer. Okay. How do I set my comprehensive insurance deductible? From Hall and Bendaline's comparison insurance coverage may help pay for repairs. Know what you considered when deciding your comparison deductible. Choosing an auto insurance deductible is one of the most difficult decisions to make when purchasing coverage for your vehicles. The right balance between affordable monthly premium and a reasonable deductible is different for every drive and every vehicle. The decision is future complicated when you are asked to choose a separated deductible for different coverage type, such as a collisions and comparison. Here we'll talk specifically about how to set your compensation insurance deductible as a part of the overall auto insurance policy. How do deductible work? When you get a quote for auto insurance, will be given the option to choose between several different deductible. This is the amount you'll be required to pay out of pocket when you make a claim before the insurance company begins to cover your loss. Deductibles allow you to share the financial risk or loss the insurance company. The more risks you will be willing to take through a higher deductible, the less you will pay in insurance premium each month. Auto insurance deductibles vary by state with option up to $100 something more. The most common deductibles are $215 and $500. Unlike some other type of insurance that annual of lifetime deductible auto insurance policy require you to pay your deductible for each claim. If you need to file multiple comprehensive insurance claim in the same year, I will be happy to pay your deductible for each claim. What's comprehensive insurance deductible? The comparison portion of your auto insurance policy covers damage that is not caused by a collision. These can include events such as fire, vandalism, glass damage, and theft. Comprehensive insurance will also cover damage to your vehicles if you hit an animal, such as a deer. However, if you avoid an animal in the road and hit something else like a guardrail or even another cars, you will be needed to file a collision insurance claim. For example, let's say you hit a deer and total your car. If your because value and determined to be $1,200, do you have a 500 deductible, your insurance company will be get a $11,500. You can then also use that money to purchase replacement vehicles. If you have a loan on your vehicles, your insurance company will submit a payment to your loan provider. You also use the difference between the insurance settlement value and your loans balance as money to put toward a new car. Commercial insurance is not required by law, but if you finance or less your vehicles, your lender will likely require you carry it regardless. Comprehensive insurance is always a good idea to have since you will be on the hook for the full cost of repairing to replacing your vehicles if something happens that out of your control. Choosing your comprehensive insurance deductible. For the sake, the simplicity, many drive choose the same deductible from comprehensive and collisions insurance. This is not a requirement, and it's entirely possible to set a different deductible and comprehensive insurance. Satisfied from the insurance information institute how show that a typical comprehensive claim in 2018 was about $180,033, just half the average collisions claim. Science comprehensive claim are generally low. Insurance companies charge less for this type of coverage. You may find that choosing a lawyer comprehensive deductible does not raise your monthly premium as much as changing your collisions deductible. How you balance this risk is up to you, but there are a few things to consider before making your decision. USA suggests this is your tips to help you decide on the comprehensive insurance deductible. Chosen your can afford consider your vehicle's value. Know that it means a cover. Avoid extreme. Chose number one. Chose one you can afford. You chose always have enough cash on hand to pay your deductible on short notice. For instance, if you selected 5,000 $5,100 deductible, your emergency fund needed to have to latest 5,000 available in case you need to make a claim. Number two, consider in the vehicle's value. By considering the cost to repairing or replacement your vehicles, you will be able to how much comprehensive coverage you need and which deductible makes to most sensitive. Older cars with lower value is typically cheaper to insure, so trying a lower deductible will not have a much of an impact on your financials. However, you did not want to choose a deductible too close to your car's replacement value. Say for instance, instance that your order because is easier to $205 $100 deductible means you will be received just $115 from the insurance company in the event your car is stolen and total assuming that you owned the vehicles outright. Lowering your deductible is $215 to $5,000 may take much more sense financial and is unlikely to rise your monthly premium by more than a few dollars. You should consider if you need comprehensive collisions coverage at all. Many auto vehicles winners do not insurance their lower value cars against loss. However, it's a personal decided decision for you. Consider if you had to replace your older vehicles by using emergency fund saving. Could you afford to do so? It may save you money on your premium by foregoing those coverage, but it comes down to your financial situation and ability to pay or repairing and replacement of your car. Number three, now that it's meant to cover, as you contemplate your decision, remember insurance is designed to protect your from a financial setback and not cover small losses you can afford to pay out of pocket. In cases of minor damage, it might not make sense to file comprehensive insurance claim. For example, if a branch falls on your car and cause $400 in damage, but you have a $500 deductible, there are no use in filing a comprehensive claim. You will simply pay the $400 repairing bill out of pocket. You will still need to let your insurance company know that you will be had damage to your car even though you are not filing a claim. Some policies included a spared deductible for a specific type of mirror damage, such as a cracked shade. For avoid the extremeness, choosing a high deductible to lower your monthly payment may seems like the best choice when selecting coverage, but that's not always true. It is crucial to find coverage that best for you. The balance of risks is found somewhere in the middle, with a premium that fast your budget and a deductible you will not break the bank. Insuring your vehicles. Auto insurance is more than just a bill. Learn about your safety, future driver decision, and more. How do you drive? Having an expensive car may affect your premium since it may cost more the repair. Your driving history, having a ticket on your ticket in your recent history may also affect your premium. How much you drive? If you drive a lot per year, it could affect your premium. Why to save on car insurance? Regarding of what you drive, you offer me where to save. Here are just a few. Uss Pilot earn a discount with your app-based safe driving program. The better you drive, the bigger than discount you may learn. Uss Pilot save up to 30% on your USA auto insurance premium for being a safe driver. How it works to enroll to USA Pilot, our safe driving program, you will need a USA auto insurance policy. If you do not have one, you can get a quote where you will be able to enroll and get up to a 10% discount. Enroll and save up to 10% in just a few minutes. You can enroll in the program and get up to a 10% discount on a USA auto insurance. Download the USA Safe Pilot app. The USA Safe Pilot app showing your how you are driving and how you can improve. It's a free app available for iOS and Android. Start driving. You'll automatically long and source your trips. You do not need to turn on the app every time you drive. Get up to 13% off. At renewal, you will let you know any discount you will be earned and will reset your driving score that you have a fresh start you for your next policy period. Feature the apps, better driving, bigger discount. The better you drive, the bigger the discount you will earn. That's easy. Just focus on keeping your hand off your phone while driving and leaving enough distance between yourself and the cars in front of you. Driving instant and chance learn about your driving habits, like how much you drive, how often you use a phone while driving, and how often you brakes harshly, and see how you can improve. Automatic and smart tips logging. Using your phone, GPS, and built-in sensor, you will automatically log your tips and smart tips data, like whether you have the driver, passenger, or making call while driving. Crash detection. Your safety is your top priority. If the app detects you may have been in an accident, will reach out of the make sure you're okay. You will be able to dial 911 directly from the app. Quick claim filing. If you chose to file a claim on a close one, you will guide you through the step. Our digital process make it easy. Should you file a claim, it's up to you. You must promptly report a car accident to your insurance company if you intend to seek any coverage from our policy. Okay. Bundle auto and poverty policy. Save up to 10% when you package your auto policies with homeowner for rental insurance. Here is your answer. Bundle and save up to 10% when you package homeowner or rental insurance with an auto insurance policy. Select the because product and you will be directly to bundle. I'll select you auto card. Feature and benefit design of your the military and the third eligible family member. Save up to 10% when you wanted property in your auto insurance. Member who switched to US auto insurance on average save 725 on their annual premium. Here are some of the many ways our auto insurance can fit your unique needs. Manage a policy online from a get a flexible payment plan at an additional cost. Take advantage of driver because and family discount. Good student discount. Get a discount if you're full-time student drive. Maintain good graders. Here is your answer, and just wait a few minutes. Okay, auto insurance for teen driver help cut your teen car insurance cost. Add your teen to your policies. Editing teen to your insurance policy is a lot easily than handing over your key to a new driver. Just remember the resource secure coverage as soon as your teen bring home and license. Help your teen driver to even step. USA can help you and you new driver drive to each step for way. Get starting. Building confidently in your teen driver start with you at home, and we have a tool and tips to help. Read for the road. Feel better knowing USA has you and your teen coverage when they are driving on their own. We are just a click, a call away to USA roadside assistant. out on their own. When it's the time to let's go, we can easily translation your 10 of your policy onto their own and provide some potential saving along the way. Children of USA auto insurance policy holders may qualify for a 10% family discount. Here are some way to help cut your cost. Driver training. Save the eligible drivers complete a basic drive training course. A good student discount has save when your 10 teen driver bring home good readers. Save driving discount. Save on premium by maintaining a good driving record for more than 5 years. Multi vehicles discount. Add another vehicles to your policy so you can possibly lower your premium. Okay, see how much you can save on your car insurance. Okay, I will another. Okay, shopping and discount. Member can get discount on car, maintenance, travel, home solution, online shopping, health and wellness, entertainment, more and more. Here is your answer. Just wait few minutes. I will back. Okay, shopping discount and park. Shopping and discount is now USA Park. For the past 5 years, USA member have saved a total $344.1 million when they shopped everything from travel and fitness at home solution, car, care, and more. Our new name just means you will continue to find great deals on no matter the season. Okay. You may qualify for discount and saving. USA Safe Pilot. Okay, if you live in eligible state, you could save up to 30% with your safe driving program, Safe Pilot. Bundle to save up to 10% when a bundle auto co-pilot policies. Military on base discount, save up to 50% on your auto premium when you gear your car on base. Annual milligly on storage discount, get a discount if you do not drive much per year and if you put your car in storage. Automatic payment discount, save up to 3% on your auto premium when you set up automatic payments. No fees for monthly payment plan. Choose a payment due date that's converted for you. Family discount. If you presented have a USA auto insurance policies, you could save up to 10% on your own policy. Good student, get a discount on your car insurance if you teen drive and maintain good readers. Multi vehicles discount, extend your coverage to 2 or more vehicles and you could qualify for a multi vehicles discount. View auto insurance coverage in your state. Here is your state and continue again. Easy, converted, secure. The USA mobile app is available 24/7. Can you get auto ID card, get proof in insurance and vehicles and drivers, change your coverage, pay your bill, request roadside assistant, file and manage claim. Here is your download link. Download the USA mobile app. Here is your download link. Okay. Get car insurance coverage to meet your need, whether you need basic coverage or more place of mind, you can customize your policy. Liability coverage helps pay expenses in your insurance from date of the accident which you are found a fault. It also help you to repair or replace the another driver's damage policies. Companionship coverage help pay or damage to your vehicles from an accident like hitting an animal, fire, flooding, glass damage, and hails. Collision coverage helps for pay for damage to your vehicles from an accident related to drivers, such as a collision with a stationary object and other vehicles. Uninsured and unauthorized motorized may pay to injuries to you and your passengers, as well as property damage from an accident caused by a driver with a little or no insurance. Let's get started. Getting quite takes just a few minutes. Why can help? Why can apply? When you join USA, you become part of a family who stand by you during every stage of your life. Our family included US military member and veterans, par commissioner of which suppose and children of USA member. Information you will need get a quite driver's license number of each driver, make, model, years, vehicles identification number, any accident or ticket on your driving record. Here's how to get more out of your auto insurance. Okay. Car insurance, how car insurance affect you? How much is a USA car insurance? There are many factors involved in determining auto insurance rated. How many miles you drive a year, and your drive record play a part in how much you will pay. What is a car insurance deductible? A car insurance deductible is the amount of the pay out of the pocket for vehicles repairing before your insurance policy kicks in. Often, you can reduce the amount you pay in your monthly or annual premium by requesting a higher deductible. It's important to note that if you increase the size of your deductible, you should the aside among money to cover that cost in your emergency fund. What type of vehicles does USA insure? USA auto insurance covers passenger vehicles like cars and pickup trucks. We can also help you get protection through one of your agency alliance of the following vehicles: motorcycle and ATVs. You can also get insurance for UTVs, mopeds, drift bike, golf cart, and snowmobile. Collector cars get a special coverage. You need a classic cars, truck and motorcycle, motorhome and RBS. From travel trailer for fifth wheels, we can help you get coverage. Boat for and personal weathercraft get coverage for your pontoon boat, fishing boat, motor boat, and more. Aircraft, personal and business coverage is available. When it comes to sport and the license sure vehicles insurance, which can help keep you doing the thing you love. To find a policy that fit your passion. Does USA offer car insurance near me? Here's your answer. We offer auto insurance is 15 states, Washington, DC, US, territory, select international location. Our easy online experience that trademarks customer service make it simple to handle your car insurance. Needed to matter where you are located to manage your policy, request auto ID card or submit an auto claim with just a few taps. When should I add teen driver to my policy? You should add your teen as soon as they get their learner permit. You may qualify and discount that will help reduce your premium. Get started and saving with USA car insurance. Our coverage in your commitment to service can help when you need it most. Get coverage from weather movies in both a personal watercraft insurance, motorcycle and ATV insurance, RV insurance, classic car insurance, evidence insurance. You still have question about car insurance? We can help. To speak with your responsibility, call 800-531 USA 8722. Okay, guys, hope enjoy my video, and do like my video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.